Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make playlist on YouTube. So I want you guys to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistakes when you try it for yourself, and also like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So in order to create a YouTube playlist, you first of all have to open up the YouTube app on your Android or iOS device and make sure that your YouTube application is up to date. You can go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store to update your YouTube application. And after you have updated your YouTube application, you will just open up the YouTube app here, and then you will tap on the library option at the bottom right here, and then here you can see we have this playlists option. You will tap on this view all option. Now in order to make a new playlist, you will just tap on these three lines at the top right here, and at the top you can see this option where it says create new playlist. Just tap on this one, and then it is now showing that you have to add videos in that playlist, but you can just tap on next, and now it says that you have to give it a title. So I will just give it like how to videos, and now it is up to you whether you want your playlist public or unlisted or private. So I will just keep it private, and then I will tap on create here, and now here you can see that our playlist has been created. So it is here. So here you can see that our playlist has been created. So that's how to make playlist on YouTube. So guys, if you found this tutorial helpful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will see you in the next video.